The CITYSPORTS Ultra Slim Under Desk Portable Folding Treadmill. Yes, it's the whole package. If you're someone that likes to enjoy working out but don't have the time to hit the gym daily, or if you're stuck indoors for whatever reason, this is for you. As we know, engaging in low-intensive activities like walking can improve blood circulation, boost your energy levels, and even enhance cognitive function. With this innovative technology, you can now clock in your steps even while you work. There's a lot to explore, so let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with what you get in the box. For starters, the treadmill itself, which is a decent sized one. It's bigger than you'd expect, but it's pretty much a standard size for a treadmill, measuring 59 by 27 inches, and it's 26 kg in weight. Also, the maximum bearing of the treadmill is 100 kg, so if you're heavier than that, probably best to look for other options. You also get a charging cable that stretches out 80 inches, giving you the flexibility of working out in most parts of the room, so you're not restricted to a corner near the socket. A user manual with lots of detail in English and then also in other languages, some Allen keys for a bit of maintenance, a little bottle of silicone lubricant, and a remote control. The assembly process is straightforward. The treadmill should already come assembled out of the box, but just in case that isn't the case for you, there are detailed instructions on the manual to help you set up from scratch. The treadmill has a bar or stand which has these two knobs on both sides. Simply take them off, push the bar up, and place the knobs in these allocated slots to help keep the bar firm. It has a phone or tablet holder so you can watch your favourite TV shows whilst losing those calories, or you can simply use it as support while walking. And if you're placing it under a desk, you can simply leave it as it is and you're ready to go. And when you're done with it, you don't have to leave it be. You can stand it up thanks to the leg support at the bottom, which not only helps it stay in the upright position, but also when you're dragging it across the floor thanks to these little transportation wheels. Although I wouldn't recommend moving it daily as it is quite heavy. There are two parts to the charging cable, one which comes attached to the treadmill itself, and the other longer one that extends to the charging socket. Once that is attached, press this button at the back which should turn the treadmill on and you're all set up. Simple. Now let's talk about the design. I think the design is a standout feature here. Under desk treadmills are crafted to blend seamlessly into your workspace, which I believe this does well. It has a sleek, minimalistic design that kind of blends into your surroundings. The colours are subtle and the build quality is good. It has a solid feel to it. There's no shaky parts, which you often get with products that are made to be portable. To summarise, I think the main features that make this stand out are its sleek design, subtle colours, build quality, a foldable holder for your phone or tablet that you can also keep folded down when placing the treadmill under the desk, walking and running modes, going up to 6 km per hour, which we will test in a second. Support for standing upright after you finish working out, a remote control which has a few options. This button is for starting the treadmill, this button turns off the treadmill, a plus and minus sign to increase or decrease the speed, and this middle button to show different modes while the treadmill is on, which consist of the speed, time, distance in kilometers, and calories burnt. Okay, let's test this out and see how it actually performs. Let's first get the desk to a reasonable height, slide that underneath, attach the charging cable, switch it on. Now that the treadmill is ready, let's also get some shoes, grab the remote control, and there, let's go. As you can see, the treadmill has started and the LED is showing the progress in the form of speed, time, distance, and the calories burnt. It has adjustable speed which goes up in increments of 0.5, so you can set the pace that suits your comfort and activity level, whether you're aiming for a gentle stroll or more of a brisk walk. You're in full control. One concern you might have is noise. Now, I'm not actually sure if I can consider this noisy or loud, so judge for yourself. But taking into account, most people will be using headphones when working, so it probably won't be a problem. But if you are someone who does not use headphones, It's definitely something you will notice. Also, if you have other people around you or anyone else in the house, it'll for sure test their patience. Now let's talk value for money. This Under Desk Treadmill is on sale for $298 on Amazon. Although a little pricey, I believe it's a worthy investment in your health and productivity that can help you maintain a long-term active lifestyle. Now here is my experience of using this treadmill on a daily basis. This is perfect for those of us working from home. If you're glued to your desk all day, it's a good measure to have in getting some steps in and feeling fresh. It slides under your desk so you can continue to work while walking. It's easy to move around thanks to the transportation wheels. It's compact so you can stand it up in the corner after you're done with it, and it hardly takes up any space. It has 4 modes on the LED display, which help you keep track of your progress. And it goes up to 6 kilometers, which is perfect for walking, maybe not if you plan to run. Now for the bad, there are a couple of things. Although the LED display shows your progress, there's no way of tracking this unless you note it down yourself. It would have been much better if this was connected to some kind of an app that you could track and see your progress over time. It's a bit loud, so you'll be disturbing other people in the house or yourself if you don't have any headphones plugged in. When working on the table, the walking will result in the whole table shaking with you. It's not really the treadmill at fault here, but something I wanted to point out, as it does get quite annoying. It would have been much better to have more control of the speed, so instead of increments of 0.5, you'd go with increments of 0.1. And now for some things I really disliked about this treadmill. The belt actually moves out of place quite a lot, and it's not the easiest to fix. To fix the belt, you have to turn on the treadmill, set the pace to 3, and use the 5mm wrench to turn the bolts at the bottom of the treadmill either clockwise or anti-clockwise, depending on which side they have deviated to. Now you might be thinking, that sounds easy, but there is a massive problem with treadmill. It turns off after a few seconds of inactivity. Now if you have someone else to help you with this, then happy days. But if you're alone, it's pretty much impossible to fix. Adding to that, it really doesn't let you take a break as it turns off instantly. I think there should have been at least a 30-second cooldown period before stopping your workout. Lastly, the noise it makes when starting or when you're pressing any buttons is incredibly annoying. Right, that was my review of the 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill. In summary, it is great and will most likely be perfect for those people working from home or people who don't get a chance to leave home for whatever reason. It has its quirks, which if fixed, would make this an incredible piece of equipment. But I don't see them as deal breakers, just some nice to haves, maybe in future versions. That's all for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!